Unmasking A Jab At. Dive into the meaning. Hello, English learners. Today, we're delving into a commonly used phrase in the English language, a jab at. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but will also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Firstly, let's look at the word jab. Literally, a jab is a quick, sharp, and often sudden action, like a punch in boxing. But when we use the phrase, a jab at, in everyday English, we're usually not talking about physical actions. Instead, it's a figurative expression. When someone takes a jab at something or someone, they are making a critical or mocking comment about it. It's a way of expressing disapproval, criticism, or even making fun. Let's go through some examples to clarify. 1. Did you hear Mike's comment about the new policy? That was clearly a jab at the management. 2. Here, Mike made a comment that criticizes or mocks the management. 3. In her speech, the comedian took several jabs at celebrities. 4. This means the comedian made fun of or criticized celebrities during her speech. 5. Sarah said the new design looked unique in its own way. Was that a jab at my design skills? 6. In this context, there's a possibility that Sarah was being sarcastic or critical about the design. When someone takes a jab at you or something you care about, how should you respond? 1. Stay calm. Remember, it's just words. Don't let it provoke you. 2. Ask for clarification. Sometimes, it might not be a jab, and they might have a genuine concern or feedback. 3. Use humor. A light-hearted response can diffuse the situation. 4. Ignore. Not all comments require a response. There you have it. A jab at is a fun and expressive way to convey criticism or mockery in English. Just like with any figurative language, the key is to understand the context. We hope this video shed some light on the phrase for you. Happy learning and keep diving deep into the ocean of English expressions.